Welcome to my channel. I will explain in this video briefly conveyor belt system. What is the belt conveyor system? A belt conveyor is a rubber or textile structure with a belt-shaped closed ring with a vulcanized or metallic joint used for transportation. The belt conveyor is a flexible link is used transportation for ore mining industries is used mass production. Commonly used seven pulleys used in conveyor system: head pulley, tail pulley, snub pulley, take-up bend pulley, take-up pulley, carrier roller, and return roller. Head pulley: the head pulley is discharge end of the conveyor belt, and a drive pulley, usually it has a larger diameter than the other pulleys. Is arc contact also aid the other pulleys. The horizontal conveyor of the motor connected to the drive head pulley. The downwheel conveyor belt the motor connected to the tail pulley because of overspeed. Tail pulley: a pulley at the tail of belt. Conveyor opposite the normal discharge end. Snub pulley: mounted close to the drive pulley on the return side of the belt. The snub pulley primary job is to increase the angle of wrap around the drive pulley. This increases the arc of contact. Take-up bend pulley: the bend pulley is used for changing the direction of the belt. Running to gravity, take-up may be lagged for longer wear life. Take-up pulley: the take-up pulley when the belt is tension and free ore is coming to the belt is compressed. When ore is not there in the belt, tensile acting by a take-up pulley. Adjustable idler pulley: to accommodate change the conveyor belt length to maintain its proper tension. Carrier roller: the carrier roller upon the moves belt freely is roller carry the load freely. Return roller: the return roller pitted downward return belt comes upon is also provided 2 meter 1 meter roller. Advantages of conveyor belt: more material is carried per hour over longer distance and higher speed, reducing operating cost and improving efficiency. Power consume is less and also noise is less. The transportation in any direction and any place will work done. Conveyor belt is more industries apply this method. Example, mining or transportation. Shortening the transportation length, also reducing the number of reloading points which eliminated. Some source of atmosphere pollution, etc. Time saving and efficiency, less manual work, easy analysis, multi-point loading is convenient. Disadvantages of conveyor belt system: costly for small scale industries. It is difficult to installation of length conveyor. When the belt is damaged, to replace is not easy. Replace breakdown occur, production also stopped. Heat is buildup occurs, speed is limited to usually 35 meter per second. Power transmission is limited to 370 kilowatts. In conveyor belt is fire is occurred to careful to society for restricted equipments. Daily inspection the conveyor any damage occurs. Conveyor belt system applications: conveyor belts are widely used in mineral industries, underground mine transportation, open cut mines transportation. These conveyor belts are used in rake loading in trains. A wide range of material can be handled, which pose a problem in other transportations. Means belt conveyor used for abrasive, wet, dry, stick or dirty material. The lump size of the transportation material is limited by the width of the belt. Belt up to 2500 mm width are used in mining industry. Many other functions can be performed with the basic conveyor like weighing, sorting, picking, sampling, blending and spraying, cooling, drying, etc. Types of conveyor belt: textile belt and steel belt. Steel belts are classified into two types: steel rope belt and steel cord fabric belt. The steel rope belts classified into two types: steel cord belt with metal weight and steel cord belt with textile. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.